Hydrogen Future Industries this week unveiled a new subsidiary that will develop proprietary wind and water-based hydrogen production systems. Joining with more is Executive Director David Ormerod. David, good to speak with you.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
So David, the last time you were on Proactive, you spoke about HFI looking to become investors in green hydrogen with the formation of HFI Energy Systems. Looks like your thinking has now evolved. Do you now plan to develop your own green hydrogen technologies, David?
That's right, yes. I guess it comes back to the fundamental issue that green hydrogen itself is quite expensive as it stands with the current technologies. You know, using current wind turbines and solar power to generate the electricity means that green hydrogen is around about $5 a kilogram, and we need to get down to around about $2. So our thinking has changed in that we were always looking to find a cheap supply or a cheap means of generating green electricity. And we think that we've done that. We went out and found a group that were working with technologies that we thought were of interest. But as it turned out and as it evolved, we found that the best way to progress it was to actually bring those technologies in-house and into the company, put it into a joint venture and take a higher equity in it and actually push that technology forward.
So Timothy Blake has been appointed to head up HFI Energy Systems. Tell us about Timothy and what he brings to this.
Well, Timothy is one of the key people who are involved in this group, working in the technologies around capturing the most energy you can from the wind. So in particular, he's been involved in modelling of wind systems, for example, in things like F1 cars, even where, you know, using those the wind technology for the downforce and things in cars is pretty critical. So he's very familiar with the modelling of wind and the modelling of how to extract energy from the wind. He's got a number of patents out there already. So we found and we believe that he is a key person to actually bring into the company and drive this forward to generate new wind turbine technology to generate cheaper green electricity.
Can you give us any insights into the types of renewable energy based hydrogen production that you will be developing? You mentioned wind turbines. Will there be others?
Well, the main elements are around the wind turbines. So the first thing we'll be doing is looking at a prototype, 1 meter diameter prototype built in the States. In the next quarter, we'll be bench testing that to see how that goes. The technology itself is around focusing the wind onto the rotor blades in the most efficient way, so you increase the amount of energy and the efficiency that you can get to generate the green electricity. Another technology that we'll be working on and testing is actually telescopic towers that we can lift and lower the wind turbine itself to optimize the location in the stream of the wind. And we'll also be working to try and improve the efficiency of the existing type of electrolyzers and lower the costs. So they're the main group of technologies we'll be working through.
David, how long do you envisage before any of these technologies can come to fruition and you actually start producing this green hydrogen?
Well, as I mentioned, in the next quarter, we'll be working on this 1 meter diameter prototype, and we'll be bench testing that and checking it. And that'll be part of our news flow in the next quarter. Following quarter, we'll be looking at putting up 5 meter diameter wind turbines that will be producing green electricity and potentially generating green hydrogen. And we see it as in the mid to longer term, we'll be producing green hydrogen for use in local grids, and almost, if you like, as a green battery. When the wind is blowing and we're not using the green electricity directly, the way of storing that is to store it as hydrogen.
Exciting times ahead. I hope you'll keep us posted on any new developments, but thank you very much for the update today.
Will do. Thank you.
David Ormerod is Executive Director at Hydrogen Future Industries.